TradingView is an easy-to-use platform that helps you track stocks, charts, and trends in real time. You can follow expert traders, share ideas, and analyze the market all in one place. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your trading, it's a great tool to help you make smarter decisions. Plus, it's free to get started. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use TradingView complete guide for beginners. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into tradingview.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So TradingView is a user-friendly platform where you can track stocks, view live charts, and analyze market trends. It's perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering tools to make smarter trading decisions. Plus, it's free to start using. Alright, all I have to do right now is just click over get started in the top right, and then you'll find another page which is this one. As you can see, you can here sign up for free, or you can choose one of this package which is essential, plus, and premium. You can also here select if you want the professional one, and about the professional you find expert and ultimate. No professional, we have two package which is this one. So as you can see, we have the first one which is essential. You have to pay $13 per month, and about yearly you have to pay $156 per year. And about the features, you'll find here 2 charts per tab, 5 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 20 price alerts, 20 technical alerts, 10 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume, profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators on indicators. And about the second one, we have here 4 charts per tab, 10 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 100 price alerts, 100 technical alerts, 20 parallel chart connections, no ads, and we have also a volume, profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators on indicators, chart data export. About the last one, we have here to pay $50 per month and $600 per year. Then we have here about the features, wait, 8 charts per tab, 25 indicators per chart, 20,000 historical bars, 400 price alerts, 400 technical alerts, 50 parallel chart connections. We have various things also. Alright, so right now I will just click over sign up in the top right, and I will just click over sign up. If I will choose here Google, Facebook, Twitter, we have Yahoo, Apple, LinkedIn as well. Or you can choose the option of email. You have just to add your email address, your password, you confirm that you are not a robot, and you click over create an account. If you already have an account, you have just to click over sign in. I will use the first option because it's very easy. I will just choose my email address and they will get started and they will find my account. So here we have my account, as you can see, and we have it in the top right, as you can see. Right now I will just go and I will click over here to search for the dashboard. I will click over here in the top left, as you can see. I will just click over top left, then I will select, for example, here products, and I will select screeners, or nope, so I will select super chats, sorry. Then you'll find here the dashboard. As you can see, here we have it how it looks. I know we have here several things that you have to know about this one. You have here in the left, for example, those options, and the top also we have in the left as well, and also you have here in the top right. Also we have here in the middle. If we just scroll down, find here if you want to connect to our trusted brokers and other things, as you can see. So if you want to open your account, you click over here and you start here. Top trading is one decision away, right? So it's just discovering those things. But before, I will show you how you can get started. So once you sign up for TradingView, you can start by exploring the main dashboard, where you will see a variety of charts and stock tickers. Here we have it. Simply search for a stock or asset in the search bar, and the chart for the asset will appear. You can customize the chart with different indicators, time frames, and drawing tools to analyze trends. You can also follow other traders, join discussions, and even share your own insights. It's all super intuitive and great for both beginners and pros. Alright, so we have here various things that you have to know about this one. First, let's just begin with the first one. Here we have, if you want to select cross, if you want a dot, arrow, or also we have razor, magic. Then we have also here, if you want other things, for example, here we'll select, for example, if you want to ray in full line, extended line, if you want to trend angle, so about this trend line. Then we have also here this option of fib retracement. Then we have here also if you want patterns, if you want also projection, if you want to hear brushes, and also we have here for a text and notes. If you wanna also here emojis and icons, also we have here measures, zoom in. If you wanna also magnet mode snaps, drawing place, then we have also here if you wanna stay in drawing model, lock all drawings. Then we have also here hide all drawings, and we have also here if you want to delete, you click over here to remove the options. On the right we find you're also here if you want to alerts, and also we have here the option of watch list details and news, and also we have here data and window, as you can see. All right, so we have here also object tree and data and window. We have my ideas, chats, idea stream, notification, screeners, and other things. If you want to publish, you click over here. And right now, to get started and start trading, you have just to go and just expect if you want to hear improving or diminuate, you have just to select, and also you select the option if you want to buy market or sell market. So you click over here and you have just to buy it right now. Also we have here if you want to connect it to our trusted brokers, here we have some trusted brokers, as you can see. And also we have here other things that could help you in the top. For example, if you want to here compare at simple, also if you want to here select how much day, and also we have 1 second, 1 minute, and if you want to hear one range, 20 months, and how much. Then also we have here other things, as you can see. Sorry, so let's just come back right now. And also we have here if you want to select here, if you want to save indicator template, open template. If you want to also here alert about the price, crossing value, then if you want to replay, if you want to endo and redo, and that's it for this one right now. All right, so we have just to follow those steps and you get started with this platform. So TradingView is a powerful yet user-friendly platform that makes tracking stocks, analyzing trends, and sharing trading ideas easy for everyone. Whether you are just starting or have experience, it provides all the tools you need to make smarter trading decisions with its interactive charts and vibrant community. It's a great resource to level up your trading game. So it's very easy to get started with this platform. We have a various things. If you wanna here to explain more and more how you can use this one and how you can make money, you have also to use here groups, and here you have a lot of, you have to learn more information about how it works with this one, because it's very hard. I think you have just to be patient firstly, and after you get your experience, of course you will be good, or you will make money, of course. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. Also, before here we have some information about products, also community, also we have markets, news, then we have brokers here, more, and you have just to here choose the one you want to know, and you get started, know more information before getting started, and then you will earn money, of course, after getting, or after having experience in this platform, after more practicing, after failure, and after finding a lot of struggle and suffering. And that's it for this video, guys, and you have just to be patient, and you have to trust in yourself, and that's it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video.